Namaskar everyone, I am your yoga tutor Manish and you watching Shalom Yoga. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate how to do a Adho Mukh Svanasana or a downward facing dog. Adho Mukh Svanasana has a multiple health benefits. Basically it's stretch our arms, shoulder, calves and hamstring and mild stretch our spine also. So it release tension from our spine and give the opening our spine and energize our entire body. Adho Mukh Svanasana strengthen our arms and legs, and along with this it's very beneficial in the back pain, headache and stress, mild depression and also in insomnia, and it's therapeutic in high blood pressure, asthma and Sytica problem, Flatfeet problem and sinus. But before doing start, keep in mind some precautions. Adho Mukh Svanasana should be avoided in carpal tunnel syndrome, wrist injuries and any kind of allergies in your ear and eyes and diarrhea, and don't practice this in diarrhea and pregnancy also. Besides, anyone can do this. So let's start. First check our body alignments. Our knee and hip should be in one line. Our toes should be inside and distance between our both arms should be shoulder width apart and both palms keep slightly ahead of the shoulder. Now, while inhaling, lift up your knees and your pelvic area upward. Slowly, like this. And while exhaling, push down your shoulder and push up your hip region. Your knees you can keep slightly bent or straight, whatever is your comfortable. After reaching in the final position, take a normal breathing and stay in the posture as long as comfort. And while exhaling, come down slowly.